The field of medical technology is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and innovations emerging at an unprecedented pace. These advancements are revolutionizing healthcare, improving patient outcomes, and changing the way we approach medical diagnoses and treatments. In this video, we'll explore some of the latest developments in the world of medical technology, from artificial intelligence and telemedicine to robotics and wearable devices. Artificial intelligence, AI, in healthcare. Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in healthcare, with its applications ranging from medical imaging and diagnostics to drug discovery and patient care. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses and treatment decisions. For instance, AI-powered radiology systems can detect abnormalities in medical images with high precision, speeding up the diagnosis process and reducing errors. Telemedicine and remote monitoring. Telemedicine has gained immense popularity in recent years, thanks to its convenience and accessibility. Especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, telemedicine has become a crucial tool for delivering healthcare services. Patients can consult with doctors and specialists from the comfort of their homes, reducing the need for in-person visits. Robotics and surgery. Robotic and assisted surgery is another area where medical technology is making significant strides. Robots can provide surgeons with enhanced precision, control, and dexterity during complex procedures. This minimally invasive approach often results in shorter recovery times and reduced post-operative pain for patients. Personalized medicine. Medical technology is enabling the shift towards personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and specific health conditions. Genetic testing and genomic sequencing have become more accessible and affordable, allowing healthcare providers to identify genetic markers that can inform treatment decisions. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.